Hi guys, it's your girl Stacy and I'm back with another video. Today guys, I'm doing something a little bit different from what I've done on my channel before. So I think I'm gonna say this is my first homeware haul. I've been to a few shops and I'm getting stuff for the house. If you're new to this channel, join the fam, hit that subscribe button guys, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss out on any uploads that we do, and also keep up with the fam. Welcome back to my returning subscribers. On a don't know, big up on yourself. I've been getting a few bits and pieces for the house and I've decided why not do a homeware haul. So I've been to Homesense. Next, I've been to a few shops just picking up bits and pieces. It's not all going in one place, it's just bits and pieces for every little area in the house. And I will do that haul with you guys today to show you what I've got, what I've been shopping for. Keep watching guys and I hope you enjoy this video. Let's start with Homesense. I've got two bags here from Homesense. One. And the first thing I'm gonna go for is this. The first thing I'm gonna go for is this mirror tray that I got from Homesense. So this is what it looks like. I got this at Homesense for £12.99 and it's a good size, and I love mirror trays. I collect them. I actually love mirror trays, so you might see a few of these in if I do any more hauls after this. But yes, that's one. And the next thing I got was some plant pots. I got this one because I'm trying to do a bit more gold. Here's my receipt. Yes, but I got this plant pot and I love the shape of it. And as you can see, it's great. But yeah, just a plant pot, and I got that for I think $5.99. Yes, so that's one. I think I got two plant pots. I got this one for the kitchen as well. This is just a ceramic one. And it is also $5.99. No, this one is not $5.99. I'm lying. This one is £2.99. So just a nice simple plant pot, white plant pot, and it's $2.99. So let's see what else I got from Homesense. Oh yeah. I got this bin. I got this waste basket and it's just a swing top, and I got this for £12.99. Yeah, I think £12.99. And this is for the bathroom, for the toilet, the powder room downstairs. I think that's what that's where I bought it for. But yes guys, one more item from Homesense, and it's £12.99 and it's a waste basket or a bin for the toilet. I also got in Homesense these. I went in with Kimora and she said she loved them. I think I'm warming up to them as well. But yeah, Isaac Mizrahi, and I think this one is, it is, what kind of material is this? I think it's like resin and cement or clay. I think cement. Guys, don't quote me honestly, but you can hear it. It's not plastic. So I know this bit looks like resin, and it's just like grey and silver. And this is so I got this set. $7.99 for the soap dispenser and $5.99 for the tumbler. So yes, guys, I think there were more stuff from Homesense. Oh yes, I also got a toilet brush from Homesense for I think $7.99, and it's just with the brush, an essential for the toilet. I'm doing a lot of white, as much as I can get in a house with children. So yes, here goes that, my toilet brush holder. And I think this was from Homesense as well, a reed diffuser. Yeah, yes, I remember. It smells really good. The aroma, was this from Homesense or was this from the range? If I'm not wrong, guys, I think this was from the range, but Homesense does not have an online site. I think it's TK Maxx Home Store, so I can't even say I'm going to link some of the stuff down below. But yes, I think this reed diffuser, and I'm trying to get a few more reed diffusers because I do love them. What else did I get? Well, I think we're missing a bag. Okay, I think that was it from Homesense. I did get a few other stuff, but I've already put them out, so I can't really do a haul with them. But yes, moving on to Next. I did go into Next home clearance store and just pick up 2 items. Once more, a reed diffuser, and believe me, Next reed diffusers are so nice. They smell really, really good. But yes, one more reed diffuser, and this one is white jasmine, and I don't remember how much I get this for because it was in their clearance store. The price not on it. And I also got this for £7. I did really like this, and it's just a little picture frame canvas, and it says Paris, and I think I'm gonna put this in the downstairs toilet in the powder room. So yes, I really like this. It's really, really nice with the glitter and everything, and it's white. And as I said before, I'm going for a lot of white if I can. And there you go. I think that was it from Next. You know what? I love watching homeware hauls, so I just thought, why not do one for myself as well? I think that was it from Next, and moving on to the range. Yes, the range does have an online shop, and the first thing I got from the range is a bathroom mat. I got a bathroom mat, and it's one of the memory foam ones, and it's really nice. I like them because they're quite soft when you step outside the shower on them. So yes, and it's in ochre, or I say yellow. The next thing I got, we went in and saw these, and Kimora loved them for her bedroom, and I'm loving them too. I don't know if you can see the glam going on there. Yes, I'm loving these. So she got this one, and I think they are £7.49. Yes. So we got this one and this one. So a bit of abstract and this, and I am loving them as well, and Kimora is really loving them. So yes, these are for Kimora's room, and we got them for £7.49 each, I think. And the next thing I got was some blinds, some roller blinds for the downstairs toilet. These are quite cheap. They're what, $9.99, and they're just for a small powder room downstairs, and it's grey with a bit of glitter. Lord, give me some glam when you can. Okay, so the other thing I got was another blinds, but this is for the upstairs. Just a grey Venetian, just a gray Venetian blinds, and it's quite long. But yes, this is nothing pretty, but an essential, and it's for the toilet, the bathroom upstairs. So yes, it's just a Venetian blinds. And the last thing I got from the range is this. I'm actually about to be setting it up, and it's a radiator cover. Let me fix the camera so you can see properly. Yeah, so it's a radiator cover, and I got that for what, £30, £29.99. And I didn't have anywhere at the front where I could put my console table that I had at the other house, so I decided to get a little radiator cover so I can just have something at the entrance with a mirror. And as soon as I've set that up, I'll show you guys. I might add it to this video, or I might do a video just setting up my radiator cover. Don't know if that's something that people might want to see, but I enjoy doing that. So guys, I think this is the end of my haul. Is it? Yeah. Oh, last but not least, I got another mirror tray. I told you I love mirror trays, and this one is from the range as well. So this is my last item from the range. Guys, thank you very much for watching my video, and if you're not already a part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. Join the fam, and also share this video with your friends. And if you see anything here that you might like, and if you're in the UK and you want to know where I got it from, if I didn't state before, then just leave a comment down below. Thank you guys very much for watching. When I don't know, big up on yourself. Peace. I'm out.